It's track day. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are at the Vision Tree Autocross event, and today we're gonna run this track. You know, it may not be much, but it's going to be a lot of fun. And my goal is A, not to hit a cone, and to just get better time each time. I got 3 laps to run, and we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna push Stacy to the max here, and we are going to kick it. We're gonna put it in full throttle, and it's gonna be a blast. I am stoked. I'm kind of just buzzing right now, but you know what? It's something I've been wanting to do for the last 6 months. I heard about it from one of my techs at the Ford dealership, and I had to try it. So today, the opportunity is there, and we're gonna make it happen. The course starts with 3 back-to-back 180s. So the question is, do you clutch shift? Do you e-brake it? Pump your brakes, whatever? Unfortunately, we got a lot of rain last night, and the track is still a little wet, so that is gonna change the game plan. I'm debating about if I should throw it into sport mode, if I should throw it into track mode. Kind of play with either or and see how much I start spinning out. But the traction again on my 22 Mustang, I know Stacy's up for the challenge, and it's gonna be fun. But we've got a couple crazy corners, and on the final run, we've got a slalom. We got, you know, the 3, and then just give her hard for that finish line. So it's gonna be a fun track. 3 goes at it. We'll see where the time is, so let's check it out. So guys, drop in the comment below if you have ever done an autocross event, or, you know, interested or opportunities. I'll let you know after today if it's worth it or not. So, all right, let's go for a driver's meeting, get the final info, throw the helmet on, and let the races begin. So despite the autocross event, we've got a beautiful car show. Let's go check it out. Well, it's 9:30, 10 o'clock is startup time, so I better go get ready, get suited up, get the camera locked in, and we're ready to go. This is happening today. Such a variety. All about horsepower today, it's about driving. First thoughts, you nervous?
I'm just hoping that the front end isn't so low that it rubs the fenders and breaks the paint.
Yeah, I don't want to see that either. Like, isn't it a beautiful ride? Like, come on. You got this. You got it, Jason. So that's round 1 done. Round 2 begins. This is where it becomes the practice to an actual race. Good luck, 20. Second shot. The first round, 67 seconds and a DNF. I went through the wrong way of the cone, so shame on me. I think it's ingrained in my brain. I will not make the same mistake twice. And here we go. We got one ahead. He's pretty quick. So a couple little changes to the setup is we're still in track mode. We've got rev match going on. Steering is sport. And launch control is on as well. So between all of that, we're gonna see. 67 is the time to beat. And we're gonna haul it now. I know where I'm going. I know the reality of the car. It is finally dry out, which is awesome. And let's rock it. Total focus right there. I think I did better. As far as I know, I finished. And most importantly, I rocked that. That was awesome. Oh my goodness, that was amazing. Holy smokes, it goes like that. It's quick, but as you get nervous, you're wondering what you're gonna do, what you're gonna screw up. What a rush. That was incredible. Oh my goodness. Like, yeah, I definitely think I did better on that one, which was great. I was trying a few other tactics. I was pulling my e-brake just to kind of slide around the corners, which actually worked out really well. The car got a little annoyed at me. Hey, FYI, there's an e-brake on. But yeah, I think I'm curious. I want to see what this is, but man, I think I did better. So yeah, kudos. This is awesome. What a great run. What a thrill. Like, man, like, yeah, definitely loving this. And, yeah, first time for Stacy doing this, and she's doing well. So, all right, let's go check out that time.
Guys, is that what we're in at? No.
59, not bad at all. Well, that's it, guys. That was the 4th annual Vision Tree Autocross. What an amazing event. Met a lot of friends, a lot of old friends as well was here. And wow, just the expressions, it was amazing. I can't... I'm still riding the high of that. That was fun. I managed to get on my 5th run, which unfortunately didn't qualify. 58 seconds, not bad. 3rd place was at 56, so really close to just shaving off that extra 2 seconds. But my goodness, a huge appreciation to anyone that does do this for a living, for fun as a hobbyist. It's amazing. It gets your blood going and it gets the adrenaline going. I'm still riding my high, as you can see. Yeah, what an event. So a huge shout out to everyone that took part in the event, for Chilliwack Alliance for letting us use their beautiful parking lot, for Wayne and his team for organizing this. Again, and of course for all the racers and the fans that came out. My goodness, yeah, couldn't ask for anything better. We did, the sun finally kind of came up, dried off the track, so that really made a huge difference. But yeah, wow, words can't even express how awesome this was. If you guys like what you saw today, smash that like, hit that subscribe button. I usually post each week. It's been summer, took a little bit of a break, but hey, September is kind of my new year, and we're gonna keep this going. So you guys are awesome. Appreciate the encouragement. That's why I do it. And yeah, let's hope for some more autocross events coming up. I definitely enjoyed it. Safe driving. Definitely keep the racing to the track. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys. See ya. Are you ready, Randy?
I'm ready.
Are you ready to rock and roll?
Let's go. You got second there. Whoa. That's a hell of a corner. Whoa.
Around.
Good. That'll heat the brakes.
Woo!